Hi and welcome to Hoxton Therapy. This is a narration of one of our articles. London Therapy. Individual London therapy can help you cope with painful emotions, walk through traumatic experiences, and change troubling behaviour. It can help you improve your relationships with others and prevent the past from interfering with the present. Individual London therapy can help you with depression, anxiety, PTSD and trauma, grief, relationship issues, creativity, adjustment to life transitions, self-esteem, vocational dissatisfaction, and spiritual and multicultural concerns. Sometimes couples get stuck and are unable to resolve issues leading to unhappiness, dissatisfaction, or despair. It is possible to stop the blame and hurt and resolve disputes. Couples therapy can help you have a better communication, intimacy, and a stronger commitment that will allow your relationship to thrive. Individual psychodynamic psychotherapy is a process of self-discovery that takes place in the interaction between you and a trained therapist. Over a series of meetings, you will begin to open up about yourself and your life and will begin to gain access to feelings and understandings that have not been accessible to you before. Your therapist is there as a trained collaborator who listens intently, asks questions, and facilitates the process that allows you to go deeper into your own experience. You will emerge on the other side with a greater self-awareness, a changed sense of self, and access to a wider range of feelings. People visit a psychodynamic therapist in order to deal with many different issues. The issues range from very specific problems to a more vague sense that life is missing something or that something is wrong without knowing exactly what. More experience limitation in their life, or are we weighed down by certain unpleasant emotions such as guilt, shame, anger, sadness or fear? If your life is missing something, or if your personal limitations are holding you back from living the life you want, Psychodynamic London Therapy might be the solution for you. Initiating therapy can be difficult. Even the first phone call can be very anxiety-provoking. My goal is to help you discover changes that can lead to a better understanding of your life. Psychodynamic therapy is a process that involves finding the real truth within oneself. With a compassionate approach, we will be able to help understand the conscious and unconscious factors that are keeping you from enjoying healthy relationships, love, work, family, and other related experiences. At Hoxton Therapy, we believe in being empathetic as well as mindful of clients during sessions so that you are able to achieve the goals that you want. When people ask what psychotherapy is, they usually want to know more about treatment. As a London therapy clinic, Psychodynamic Psychotherapy is based on the observation that individuals are often unaware of many of the factors that determine their emotions and behaviour. These unconscious factors may create unhappiness and anxieties. Sometimes the unhappiness and anxieties can be in the form of recognisable symptoms, and at other times as troubling personality traits, difficulties in work or in love relationships, or disturbances in mood and self-esteem. Because these forces are unconscious, the advice of friends and family, the reading of self-help books, or even the most determined efforts of will often fail to provide relief. London therapy treatment demonstrates how these unconscious factors affect current relationships and patterns of behaviour. Trace them back to their historical origins, show how they have changed and developed over time, and helps the individual to realise the realities of adult life. Hi, we hope you enjoyed that narration of one of our articles on our website, hoxtontherapy.com. As usual, we have our podcast which answers your question, and the name of the podcast is the Ask Hoxton Therapy Show. You can ask us questions on social media and we will answer those questions in upcoming either video content, and of course when our video content's done, our podcast content audio is done as well. So stay safe out there. It's COVID-19 at the moment. Till next time, goodbye. Never act on any advice given in these articles, videos or audios. Always seek professional help before acting on anything you read or watch or listen to on this website, or in our podcast, or on our YouTube channel, or anywhere on our social media.